8 people now charged after a 50-year-old man is attacked and killed at his home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the Portland Police Division are reporting that after weeks of intense investigation, they have charged 8 people in relation to the murder of a man at his home in Bamboo Tree Lane, Fairy Hill District in the parish on Wednesday, August the 7th. Those charged with murder are 31-year-old Shane Phillips, otherwise called Taliban, of Archer Avenue, Morris Meadows, St. Catherine. 19-year-old Dominic Perkins, otherwise called Kente, a block maker of Sunrise Crescent, Kingston 19, and 18-year-old Raheem Dixon, otherwise called Squidley, a tiler of Kirkland Heights, Kingston 19. Meanwhile, an additional 5 people, including a teen boy, have been charged with conspiracy to murder. They are 30-year-old Xavier Carter, a taxi operator of Sunrise Crescent, Kingston 19, 21-year-old Chad Habenthal, a landscaper of Sunrise Crescent, Kingston 19, 19-year-old Fabian McIntosh, a block maker of Sunrise Crescent, Kingston 19, 19-year-old Kayvon Jacobs, a laborer of Bourne Road, Kingston 19, and a 17-year-old boy of Mannings Hill Road, Kingston 8, who has also been charged. Detectives stated that at around 11:45 a.m., the 50-year-old man who goes by the name Orlando Loudon was at home when he was pounced upon by 2 men armed with handguns who opened fire, hitting him several times. The men did attempted to escape, but the quick response of the Portland police saw 3 vehicles being intercepted on the Pasley Hill Main Road in the parish shortly after the incident. The occupants were arrested on suspicion and an investigation and probe continued. 2 firearms, a Browning 9mm, a Glock pistol, and 14 9mm rounds of ammunition were seized by investigators who carried out a systematic search of the 2 vehicles in days following the incident. Charges of murder and conspiracy to murder were subsequently laid against the 8 men. Detectives completed their lines of inquiry and conducted interviews with the men. Their court dates are to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.